Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you today? I hope you're good. I stopped at Barnes & Noble with Diamond a Day on our way to the baby shower, and I bought 2 magazines. And the first one and it's a Christmas pack. Makes cards today, 4 luxury festive kits inside. Mega value. $108 US, I think. So let's see. I kind of looked when I was in the car waiting for Diamond while she ran in the grocery store. It's just easier. So let's check it out. So the first thing I see is we got a stamp of little kitty cats. I think they're cats. Yeah, they look like cats. It says Christmas wishes. We got bells, a little angel, a bird, Mary and Joseph, and a king. Let's see what's in this. So I think it paid, oh yeah, this one was $17.99. And you got 2 little embossing folders of bells, and then the bird. Peace bird, whatever it's called. And you got some cards to make Christmas cards. You get 2 green, 2 blue, and it's like a red. You got the envelopes, and a little sticky dots on that little kit right there. Well, that's cool. It's the stamps. They got a little Christmas bulb, poinsettia. Oh, hot taste. The kitty's drinking a hot chocolate. Cute. Tidings of joy, over the mistletoe, in the stocking, and the dove. It's a dove. So that's that one. I'll put that back in there later. So, and then the next thing was this one. So it's a die. You get the little star. It looks like a little snowflake. And then like that. Goes around that. And then you got a little snowflake, joy, wishing love and wishing love you, joy and peace. I think it says you. Deck the halls. I can't read these. These are so small. Hang on. Can't read them. Get a magnifying. Wishing you love, joy and peace. Wishing you love, joy and peace. Deck the halls. Star bright. Merry Christmas. May your days be merry and bright. Have a simple, wonderful Christmas and a very happy New Year. Season greetings. Have a wonderful Christmas. And it's bells and holly. There's snowflakes, little gifts, little snowflakes. Very cute. And you can make it kind of like that. So that's 4 dies and 24 stamps. That's cute. Got that in this pack. And then, this was an odd one. But for a Christmas pack, it kind of threw me. I was like, why is this one in here? But who knows? Because it's not Christmas to me. Riley wanted this one because she saw the kitty cats. That's why I got it. Yeah, she was with me in the magazine section, and I was like, eeny, meeny, miny, moe. And she's like, I want this one with the kitty cats, Nana. So I got the one with the kitty cats. I think they just put this in here because it's kitty cats. But I was like, why is this in here? You know, it's odd for being Christmas. But you get a little bunny, a butterfly, a bird, a bicycle, a cat on a swing, and then another butterfly. And then you get these chipboard or cutout little pieces. And it's cute. I think cute. And here's the key. This one. And that one. And glue these tabs together. So 1 of that, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So we'll have to figure that out. 6 of them and 3 pieces like this. Plus this little stamp set. So that's cute. And then also included in this one was this one. The Nutcracker. And the Nutcracker, you get the ballerina, so season greetings, a tree, the nutcracker, Merry Christmas, have a cracking Christmas, nutcracker, the ballerina again, some leaves. So that's that stamp set. Then we get the little punch out pieces. So we got 2 of them like that. Cute. And then the ballerina one. And then we get the paper. So ballerina's on top, the nutcracker on the bottom. Get 2 like that. Scenery with the Christmas tree and a nutcracker. And then we get the one with the nutcracker and the ballerina, and then you get the fireplace. And then another stage, and then the Christmas ornaments. That's cute. And then also with this one, this bunch back there, there is make cards today. Let's see. So, oh, I have this set right here. Look at that. I have this set. So that's cool. And I have that set too. This stamp set. And I have that peach houses too. This magazine, I think I have this magazine already. Yep. It looks very familiar. Yep, I'm pretty sure. I have this in that one, the last pack I bought, I think. So, I'll have to figure out if I can go back. It says Shadow Box Card Making Kit. So, somehow. Sending Sunshine Shadow Box Card Making Kit. So, I'll have to figure this out. Oh, these are double-sided. So, I'll maybe sign into some Sublime Mint card making papercraft. See if I can find an example like that. So that is the one bag, or the one magazine and dies I bought today. That's the one Riley wanted. I never can say no to that child, I swear. And then I bought this one. Wow, 33-piece festival kit. Okay. First off, you get a Merry Christmas die. Have a Merry Christmas die. That's cool. And these are the stamps. You get peace, love, health, and happiness. Get the bells, the suede. I always call that suede. And the little Christmas bells, a bow, the holly, a little cup, candles, holly jolly Christmas, Santa, Noel, ho ho, in 2 different ways. And then I don't know what that's supposed to be. So you get that. That's the stamp. And this is simply cards and paper crafts. Have a Merry Christmas. Let's see. Cute. I'm going to kick myself in the butt if these show up in Paper Wishes in a week, because they usually have a better deal. But, oh well, you know. That's how it works, you know. That's how it goes. 'Tis the season. You could use Merry Christmas, that, like, make this, but use this die instead. Oh, look at the cute sweater. So cute. Oh my god, I love this. I don't know if I'd like that, actually. I'd like this for like on a wall unit. That'd be cool. But that, nah. Alrighty. Gorgeous gift wrap. Here I think we're getting into the stamps I got in dies. Oh, look at box card. That's cute. Little gift bag, money wallet, exploding gift box, sweet dispenser, little book gift box, gift bag and matching tag, letter learning. Oh, look at That's kind of cool. I have a die similar to that. Pretty. I like the other ways you can look and see ways to do it. I gotta get back into card making. Oh, look at that soccer ball. I'll have to remember to make code of that next year for his birthday. Oh, look at the little dude. I can download that. That's cool. So you have to look in the little bubbles. Because a lot of times, like right here, what's it say? Soccer ball cutting files available on. Cool. Silhouette. Yeah, but on silhouette though. Yeah. I love these birds. Goofy birds. Oh, look it. Here's some more of the ways to use the stamp. Cool. Cool. This is pretty actually. I love these birds and these little... I looked these up the other day. They're not cheap. Polka doodles. I only found them in the US. Polka doodles in the UK. Which they were stateside. The wreath you can make. Oh, look at that little Bobby. And I'm almost to the end of the magazine. There we go, guys. So them are the 2 magazines I got today. I thought I'd share them with you. This is more like stamps and dies bundle. They probably had extras and they just throw them in a bundle. So check your local Joann's and Barnes and Nobles. Most of the time, that's where I can find them locally. And check out Paper Wishes once in a while. They have really good deals on magazines. That's where I got the last ones. So I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now, everybody. Have a good night.